start. The next question that I would like to deal with is the paragraph in the President's address relating to the progress made in our economy, in our agriculture sector, in our industrial sector, in our foreign trade, etc. Sir, you were pleased to read out to us a very large list of the achievements of the Congress government during the last decade and the important targets which have been achieved during the last 10 years of our planned economy. You also mentioned the question of the increase in food production, increase in the production of agricultural commodities, etc. Fortunately, sir, here we have in our midst the ex deputy chairman of the Planning Commission, Sri V.T. Krishnamachari, who has addressed a number of meetings and seminars in New Delhi recently, drawing our attention to the weakness in our agricultural sector. If the press reports are correct, in one seminar, he mentioned that even if all the targets of the third 5 year plan are achieved, still at the end of the third 5 year plan period, we may be facing a serious situation regarding the supply of agricultural commodities. He has also expressed the hope that we will be able to exceed the targets which have been fixed for the third 5 year plan. I do not know whether his expectation of exceeding the targets will be fulfilled or not, but it is quite clear that we have not been able to give sufficient attention to the development of the agricultural sector. It has also been stated that development of the agricultural sector is one of the most difficult tasks which have been found difficult both by democratic countries as well as by countries in which total planning is going on. It is all the more reason, therefore, that we should pay more attention to the agricultural sector so that it may be possible for us to meet our requirements as and when they arise, and then the situation which he has foreseen at the end of the third 5 year plan may not materialize. It is no use merely taking refuge behind some of the figures which have been complied and narrating the progress which has already been achieved. We are happy that some progress has been achieved, but we are anxious that more progress should be there, and for that purpose also certain definite steps will be taken.